Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Roblox error code 319 on mobile or PC. So if you're getting this error disconnected, Roblox was not able to verify the integrity of the game due to a network issue, please reconnect error code 319. So if you're getting this error in Roblox, whether you are playing the game on PC or mobile, then here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. So the first fix is to close the Roblox client completely and then reopen it. So if your Roblox client is opened, then close it. So right click on the Roblox client and then click on close window. Also click on this arrow icon, and if you find Roblox over here, right click on it and then select exit to exit the Roblox. Also right click on taskbar and then click on task manager. And if you find Roblox running over here, then right click on it. Suppose this is a Roblox, right click on it and then click on end task to close the Roblox completely from your PC. And after closing the Roblox client completely from your PC, in Windows search type Roblox and then open the Roblox player. And once your Roblox client get opened, then try to play the game and check if your error is fixed or not. And if you are on mobile, then close the Roblox app. Make sure it is closed from the background, and then after closing the Roblox app, then just restart your device once, and after restarting your device, open the Roblox app and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to switch internet connection. So if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. So click on this Wi-Fi icon, disconnect the Wi-Fi and then connect to a mobile data via hotspot and then check. And if you're connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then check. If possible, then you can also connect to different Wi-Fi network or mobile data network and then check. So on mobile, now to switch the internet connection on mobile devices, bring down the notification panel, and if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. And if you're connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then relaunch the Roblox app and check. If possible, then you can also connect to a different Wi-Fi network or mobile data network and then check. Fix 3 is to turn on location and then turn it off. If it is already turned on, then turn it off. This is for the mobile fix. Now to turn on or turn off location, open settings, scroll down, click on location, and if location is turned off, then turn it on. Wait for 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it off, and then you can go ahead, launch the Roblox app and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if location is already turned on, suppose it is already turned on, then turn it off, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. And if it is already turned off, then turn it on, and then you can go ahead, launch the Roblox app and check. Fix 4 is to turn on aeroplane mode and then turn it off. And for fix 4, just tap on the aeroplane mode to turn it on. Just wait for 10 to 15 seconds and then again tap on aeroplane mode to turn it off. Then reconnect to your mobile data or Wi-Fi network, and then you can go ahead, relaunch the Roblox app and check. And fix 5 is to make sure your Roblox is up to date. So you have to make sure that your Roblox client is up to date, and if you're playing the game on mobile, then make sure Roblox app is up to date. So here how to check the Roblox app update. And for fix 5, to make sure your Roblox app is up to date or not, to check that, open Play Store, tap on search for Roblox and then tap on it. And if you find any update option available for this app, then update it, and then you can go ahead, launch the Roblox app and check if your problem is solved or not. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix Roblox was not able to verify the integrity of game due to a network issue. Please reconnect error code 319 in Roblox, whether you're playing the game on PC or mobile. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.